Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to hide notifications on lock screen in your phone Moto G04. First of all, put lock in your phone and see the lock screen. Here, in the lock screen itself, I have notifications. Okay, notifications are showing Gmail one notification received, and here YouTube one notification has been received. So in the lock screen itself, suppose if your friend messages you through WhatsApp, that can also be seen here in the lock screen itself. So some portion of the text may be visible to other person. Okay, even they don't need to put your lock. Okay, because in the lock screen itself, suppose if they have sent like hi, how are you, what are you doing, and that can be seen in the lock screen itself. Okay, if you want to hide this notification on lock screen, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to settings of your phone first, then go to home and lock screen, and here select lock screen and click on privacy, and by default it is set to show all notifications content, so that notification contents are showing on lock screen. Okay, if you would like to show only sensitive content, then you have to select second one. Okay, otherwise if you don't want any content over lock screen, just click on don't show notifications at all. That means notifications will not be showing on lock screen, but when you unlock your phone, it can be shown. Okay, see here, now I have hidden notifications on lock screen, and see here I put lock in my phone, and see in the lock screen there is no notifications showing. So in this way we can easily hide notifications on lock screen in your phone Moto G04. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.